This is how to create any content without any copywriting skills with just few clicks of your mouse. Alright, so all you need is to visit bit.ly/use WriteSonic. And then all you need is to click writing for free. Then you need to log in, then click on new project, then click on new project. Then after that, you can now select what type of content would you like to create. Okay, so for now, I need to create a blog post. So let's click this AI article and blog writer. Then you can choose this AI writer 2.0. Then you can now type the topic you want, okay? So example, our topic is how to create a high converting content, okay? Then after that, all you need is to click this generate idea. So now you can now select one of the topic that created from this AI article. So let's click this one. And then let's click this generate intros and choose one from this generated intro. So example, this one. So we already have the intro, and the last step is to create the article. So let's create an outline. Then you can now select here. Then after that, click on write an article. And you're done. Now you can now paste this on your blog. Okay? Follow for more.